Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 10, time. Chapter number 10 and the chapter name is time. So, today we will learn about the time. So, learning objects are clock, telling time in 5 minutes interval, AM and PM, converting time, the calendar, how to write dates. Today we will learn about these things. Okay, now let's start. Below is given the daily routine of a boy. यहाँ पर एक boy का daily routine है. Okay, fill the correct time shown. Now class, it is a clock. A clock. ये यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Morning. I get up at 6:30 in the morning. He get up 6:30 and I take my ये जो breakfast करता है I take my breakfast at 7 o'clock. Now 7 o'clock. Then he go to school. I go to school at 7:30. Now I come home back from at 1:30. Okay class. Now I take my lunch at 12 o'clock and I play at 4:30. Write the time shown in each clock. It is now students, ये जो छोटे निडल होती है, ये जो हैंड होता है, ये क्या होता है? आर हैंड होता है, ये हमारे आर हैंड होता है, और जो बड़ा होता है हैंड, ये हमारा होता है मिनट्स हैंड. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? जब छोटे पे है ये 3 और ये 12 पे, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? 3 o'clock. And here is 10 o'clock. And here is 6 o'clock. यहाँ पर 6. Now clock. We know that time is measured with the help of a clock. We know, हम टाइम कैसे देखते हैं? हम क्लॉक से टाइम देखते हैं. There are 2 hands in a clock. As I told you कि हमारी क्लॉक में कितने होते हैं? 2 hands होते हैं. Hour hand, minute hand. Now our hand, the smaller hand is for our hand to complete one round. जब ये one round complete कर लेता है तो क्या होता है? Our hand takes 12 hours. Thus our hand completes 2 rounds in a day. 2 rounds in a day. ये क्या होता है? Longer hand, minute hand, shorter hand, hour hand. Now minute hand, the bigger hand is for minute hand. To compare one round the clock, the minute hand takes 1 hour. Thus the minute hand complete 24 rounds in a day. 24 rounds in a day. Now dial. Class, what is dial? The dial of the clock is divided into 12 equal big divisions marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 as on till 12. Okay, there are 5 equal small divisions between two successive numbers. Thus, there are 60 small divisions. 60 small division like यहाँ से till 60. Okay, each big division represent an hour and each small division represent a minute. Small क्या कह रहे हैं वो? Small तो there are 60 small divisions. Each big division represent hour and small division represent a minute. Okay, the hour hands move from one number to the next number and hour, whereas the minute hand goes once around the dial in 1 hour, means 1 घंटा. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day 24 hours. A year 12 months. एक year में कितने months होते हैं? 12. Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Understood? Now, come on the exercise 10.1. Fill in the blank. The shorter hand is at 3. The longer hand is at 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. Now the shorter hand is at 9. The longer hand at 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. Now the shorter hand is at 5. Longer hand at 12. The time is 5 o'clock. Understood? Telling the time. See how the minutes and hour hands move 1 hour, move in an hour 60 minutes. एक घंटे में कितने मिनट्स होती हैं? 60 मिनट्स होती हैं. ओके. नाउ 5 o'clock. इस घड़ी में क्या हो रहा है? 5 o'clock. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लाइक दिस वी कैन राइट ऑल्सो. नाउ 5:15 हो रहे हैं इस घड़ी में, सो वी कैन राइट 5, वी कैन राइट और क्वार्टर पास्ट 5 और 15 मिनट्स पास्ट 5, 5:30 और हाफ पास्ट ऑफ 5 और 30 मिनट्स पास्ट 5, 5:45 quarter to 6, 15 minutes to 6, now 6 or 6 o'clock. Okay, we can write the time in many ways like this. The hour hand tells the hour that has been closed. When the minute hand is at 12, the time is the exact hour shown by the hour hand. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is quarter past the hour. When the minute hand is at 6, जब 6 पे होगा वो क्या होगा? Half past the hour, means आधा घंटा. When the minute is at 9, it's time to quarter to the next hour. Okay. जब हमारी मिनट हैंड होगी 3 पे तो क्वार्टर पास्ट, और जब मिनट हैंड होगी 6 पे तो हाफ पास्ट, एंड जब 9 पे होगी तो क्वार्टर टू. Understood? Quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. Half of an hour is equal to 30 minutes. So write the time as shown. It is half past 3. Okay. Now it is 2:20. 2:20. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Telling time in 5 minutes interval. 5 minutes interval. We know that there is 12 numbers on a clock face. 12 numbers होते हैं. 5 small division between 2 consecutive numbers. Each small division is equal to 1 minute. Equal to 1 minute. When our hand moves from one number to the next, it's shown that 1 hour has passed. When our hand moves from one number to the next number, अगर R का जो hand है वो एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पर चला गया, it means क्या होता है कि 1 घंटा has been passed, 1 घंटा हो चुका है. When minute hands moves from one number to the next, it's shown that 5 minutes have passed. 5 minutes have passed. Okay. Now method of reading the time. Method of reading the time. When the minute is at 1, it's shown 1 into 5, 5 minutes. 2 into 5, 10 minutes. 3 into 5, 15 minutes. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 5, 30 minutes. 7 into 5, 35. 8 into 5, 40 minutes. 9 into 5, 45 minutes. 10 into 5, 50 minutes. 11 into 5, 55 minutes. And 12 into 5, 60 minutes. That is 1 hour. Okay. In this clock, is time is 9 o'clock. Now 9:05, 9:10, because ये जो हमारी मिनट आ रही है 2 पे, so it is 10 minutes past 9, so 9:10. Now come on the exercise 10.3. Yes class, write the time as shown. ये जो shorter hand है वो 3 पे और longer hand 1 पे, so it means 5 minutes past 3, and shorter on 10 and longer on also 2 means 10, so 10 minutes past 2. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now students, AM and PM. AM and PM. A day starts from 12 o'clock midnight. Midnight में हमारा day start होता है and has 24 hours. We can divide the whole day into 2 parts. हमने अपने 24 आवर्स को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया हुआ है. लाइक द टाइम पीरियड बिटवीन 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. 12 o'clock से मिडनाइट के 12 noon तक. ठीक है. इन लेटिन लैंग्वेज इट इज कॉल्ड एंटी मेरिडियन. लेटिन लैंग्वेज में क्या होता है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, एएम को. इट मीन्स एएम. एंटी मेरिडियन इन शॉर्ट वी राइट इन एएम. द टाइम पीरियड बिटवीन 12 o'clock से मिड डे तक और noon to the clock midnight in Latin language is called post meridian, in short PM. Understood? Now that is why we have the same time twice in a day. That is why हमारा जो भी टाइम होता है ट्वाइस होता है, 2 times होता है एक दिन में. When it is 6:15 in the morning, so we call it 6:15 AM. 6:15 AM. When 6:15 in the evening, we call it 6:15 PM. The words AM and PM are not used in some places like airways and railway timetable schedule of TV programs, etc. At such places, all times before midday to or noon, that is AM, are written as in it is where all the time after midday to and noon, that is PM. Okay. Before midday or noon, that is AM, or after midday, that is PM. Or the written after adding 12 the number of, हम उसमें क्या कर देते हैं, after adding 12 to the number of hours in this way. 1 AM 1 AM, so 1 PM is equal to 13. 1 AM को तो हम 1 ही लिखेंगे, लेकिन 1 PM को 13. 9:45 AM 9:45, but 9:45 PM is equal to 21:45. 11:20 11:20, but PM 23:20. Okay. Now come on exercise 10.4. Fill in the blanks with AM or PM. 3:35 in the morning. Morning means AM. Evening means PM. Understood? Yes, class. Rest of the parts do yourself. Now converting time. We know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 12 months 1 year. 365 days also 1 year. 60 minutes 1 hour. 7 days 1 week. 52 weeks plus 1 day is equal to 1 year. 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. Okay, example. Convert 8 minutes 25 seconds into seconds. Convert 3 hours 45 minutes into minutes. Now convert 9 days 12 hours into hours. Convert 5 weeks 3 days into days. Now see. First is 8 minutes 25 seconds. So we will multiply 60. 8 into 60. 840. 480 seconds plus 20, 505 seconds. Now 3 hours into 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes into minutes. Now 3 hours multiplied by 60, it will become 180 minutes. 45 plus 45 minutes, 225 minutes. Now 9 days 12 hours into hours. 9 days multiplied by 24. क्योंकि class, because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now 216 hours. 12 hours plus 12 hours 228 hours. Now 5 weeks. हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई आप 7 से करेंगे, क्योंकि 1 week is equal to 7 days. 5 sevens are 35. 3 days. 35 plus 3 days is equal to 38 days. Now come on exercise 10.5. Question number 1. Change into seconds. Now A part 9 minutes multiply by 60. So 9 6 are 54. 540 seconds. Understood, class? Again B part. Now B part 35 minutes 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So 35 multiplied by 60 and plus 5 seconds. Now 35 multiplied by 60, 0, 0, 5 6 are, yeah, 6 5 are 30, 3 6 are, yeah, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 2100. Now 2100 plus 5 plus 5, 5 0, 21. So it is 2105 seconds. Yes class, I hope you all have understood this question very well. Now students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now, yes class, question number 2, change into minutes. Change into minutes. Now question number 2, A, 7 hours into minutes. So 7 multiplied by 60, 7 6 are 42 minutes in 7 hours. Okay class, now B part class, see 5 hours 4 minutes. 5 hours 4 minutes. Now 5 multiplied by 60 plus 4 minutes. 5 6 are 30. 300 minutes plus 4 minutes. Now 304 minutes. Understood class? I hope you all have understood very well. Yes class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 3, change into hours. Now 8 days into hours. Question number 3, A, 8 days. 8 days into hours. So 8 into 24. 8 into 24. See 24 multiplied by 8. 8 4s are 32. 1. Carry 3. 8 2s are 16. 192 hours. 192 hours. Okay, right. Now, 3 part. 6 days. 6 days. 11 hours. Into hours. Now 6 days into 6 into 24. Okay, hours plus 11 hours. Understood? Now 24 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 2s are 12. For 2, 14. Now 144 hours plus 11 hours. So it is 11 hours plus 11. 4 plus 1 5. 4 plus 1 5. 155 hours total. Understood class? I hope you all have understood this question very well. So do the properly. Students, rest of the parts do yourself. Now the calendar. Students, calendar is the record of all the dates of a particular year. कैलेंडर के पास रिकॉर्ड होता है सभी डेट्स का पर्टिकुलर ईयर्स की. इट डज शो मंथ्स वीक्स डेज इन अ ईयर. ओके, usually a list of a festival is also given after the calendar. The calendar of the year of 2024 is given below. The calendar of 2024: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Here, there are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. 12 months in a year. Each month has about 4 weeks, a few days. Out of these months, some months have 30 days and some have 31 days. But the February month has 28, 29 days. It has 29 days once in 4 years. 4 year. It is called, this is in a leap year. A leap year has 366 days or 52 and 52 weeks and 2 days. Understood? Now, if the last two digits of a year are not zero, are exactly divisible zero, then there is leap year. अगर जो लास्ट डिजिट है वो 4 से डिविजिबल है तो वो क्या होता है, लीप ईयर होता है. ओके, easy way to remember days in a every month. Okay, make your fist like this. Now consider your knuckles as mountains, the gap in between two knuckles as valleys. Consider a knuckle as mountains and जो gap है उसको हम valleys बोलते हैं, बोलेंगे. Okay, the months which fall in mountains have 31 days. Okay, जो mountains पर होते हैं, knuckles के ऊपर होते हैं, have 31 days, and which falls in valley have 30 days. Okay, like this. And the pet also you can say. January has 31, February 28, 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, and December also 31 days. Now, come on exercise 10.6. 10.6. Write the names of months having 30 days. So, we can write April, June, and September, and December having 30 days. And 31 days, January, write the spellings carefully class. January, March, May, July, August, October, and October. Understood? How to write dates? How to write dates? When we write a date for a particular day in a year, we specify the number of the date in a month, that is date, the name of the month, and then the year. Example, 5th January 2024. So we write 5th January 1 month 2024, or we can write like this also. In short form, we write a date as group of 3 numbers separated by 2 dots. The first number stands for day, second for the month, third number for the year. Thus, day, month and year. Understood class? I hope you all have understood very well. Now students, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.